Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to release jaw tension. This will be a tutorial and these will be easy steps for beginners. So let's get right into the video. So if you have jaw tension and you want to release that jaw tension, these are some easy steps for absolute beginners to release that tension. And it's a simplistic tutorial with 5 simple steps. So let's get into these steps. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. I'm going to tell you about each step and demonstrate each one as well. So number 1 is to massage the sides of the jaw. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. You want to essentially sort of look straight ahead, okay? Doesn't matter, like I'm looking to the side, but my shoulders are this way. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to turn your neck. You want your neck and your shoulders to be square. I can move my shoulders and my neck together, and I can do it in either sort of orientation. So I'm going to basically square off my jaw with my shoulders. I'm going to open up my jaw like that, and then right here, you can actually feel the muscles when you open it, okay? Like that. You're going to massage this. And you want to move your jaw sort of open and close just a little bit, very slowly, like that, okay? Like that. And just massage it gently. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure, just a gentle massage. That's the first thing that you can do, the first step. Number 2, deep breathing and meditation. Oftentimes when we're stressed, we're very tense. And when we're tense in our mind and in the rest of our body, that tension goes to your jaw as well. So deep breathing and meditation, you want to breathe deeply, meditate, relax. It will truly help you release that jaw tension. So just de-stress in general, okay? Step 3 is a jaw and tongue stretch, okay? So essentially you're going to use your tongue to stretch open your jaw, and that's going to work the muscles that will hopefully relieve some of the tension as well. How you do this is very simple. I'll say it and then I'll demonstrate. Close your mouth, so close your jaw completely. Get the tongue, press it up. Get your tongue. I said the tongue. Get your tongue, obviously your tongue. What other tongue are we talking about here? Okay, get your tongue, press it up against the roof of your mouth, and use that pressure to open your jaw. And sort of stretch it open as much as you can, not to a point where you're uncomfortable, but just to a point where you feel a stretch. So like this, jaw closed, tongue against the roof of my mouth, and press upwards with my tongue. Okay? And what that's going to do is that's going to stretch the muscles a little bit, work the muscles, but also stretch them. Similar to how you stretch your muscles, before you're doing a workout, you're doing the same thing with your jaw muscles, okay? Number 4 is bring your shoulders back, square your chin with your shoulders, okay? And then take your chin down, apply downward pressure like this, bring your chin to sort of your neck, and hold it there for a few seconds, and then release. Continue, hold it there for a few seconds, and then release. One more time, hold it there for a few seconds, and then release. That's going to accomplish 2 things. It's going to relieve some of the tension in your jaw, but also it's going to stretch your traps and the back of your neck, which are also connected to that jaw tension as well, okay? Have you ever noticed when you feel tension in your neck, you might feel it in your jaw, right? I don't know the scientific connection, but I do know that they're definitely related, okay? It's like, imagine like they're cousins, right? Your jaw and your neck, first cousins. Think about it like that, okay? You don't know, maybe I don't know the connection, but I know they're cousins. Think about it like that, okay? I'm Italian. I got lots of cousins. I don't know how many I have. I don't know. I have lots of cousins, and second cousins, I have tons. Like it's ridiculous, okay? But actually, believe it or not, most of my cousins are girls. So there's only a few Chimicatas. My last name is Chimicata. There's only a handful of Chimicatas. And I myself have 3 girls and 1 boy. So even I myself have, 3 girls and 1 boy. So, talking in the typical fashion, there's 1 Chimicata downline that's going to carry on. In the typical fashion, obviously, anything can happen. You can make any choice you want with your last name. But I'm just saying in general, okay? Anyways, moving on, staying on topic to number 5. Get your fingers on your chin like this. And you want to use your fingers on your chin to apply just a bit of pressure and then open and close it like this. I look like a fish. Look at that. You don't have to make the mouth noise. I'm doing the mouth noise for fun, but you don't have to make the mouth noise. But truly, it'll help you out. Now you can do fast or slow. I don't have jaw tension right now, so I'm going fast, but if your jaw is tense, you're gonna slow it down a bit. And that's it. That's how to release jaw tension. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.